Hey guys, today, I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on CapCut. First, select the text icon on CapCut. Next, click on the little plus icon. Once you have done that, you will get a default text. You can enter the text you want to convert to speech here, or I would be doing it on a notepad. Once you have prepared your text, you can make simple adjustments, such as comma or exclamation, to make your speech more natural. These will add slight pause or raise the speech a little bit. Now, copy the completed text and paste it into the CapCut default text. Next, select the text. Once you have done that, you will find the text-to-speech option on the right window. On the text-to-speech, you will have a lot of options for voice types. Select the one that you prefer. A preview speech will be played.
From April to August, huge green sea turtles come to these beaches at Shiradding to lay eggs.
If you like it, click on Generate Speech button. The speech audio file will be displayed at the bottom timeline. You can also delete the text if you do not want it.
From April to August, huge green sea turtles.
To mark a voice type as favorite, add a new text. Go back to Text-to-Speech menu. Select the voice that you want to use. Click on the bottom star button. Now, you can use the same speech for all your text.